Hey guys, gonna do hopefully a couple of fairly quick projects today. I finally got a turn signal housing from Wolo yesterday, so we're gonna swap that out for this, so that way that bulb's not exposed. And we are going to replace the horns, which on my particular truck live down here, like in between the tire and the front fender. I was confused. I thought they kind of would live over here, like kind of in front of the intercooler and the grill, but I guess not. So we'll go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with the turn signal replacement over here. Just like the other side, there is a single screw Phillips that holds the leg in. I'm not sure if I'm going to get enough light on it for you guys or not, but it's kind of down here underneath this bumper lip. So I'm going to try and just pull back the bumper lip and get my screwdriver in there. If not, because this is just kind of not doing so well anyway, there's a little bolt here that I think's holding the lip on. Worst case, I'll have to undo it and pull this back further to pop this out. I got the old housing off, and this is what remains of the old housing. This is the new one I picked up from Wolo. Actually came off of I believe it was an 01 Dodge, but these lights, I think you can use them off any model from 94 up to 02 for the heavy trucks and 01 for the half-ton trucks. Alright, got the new housing on. Kind of a pain in the butt because of the bumper skin, but it's on. Alright, so this is the new horn I got, the Wolo Bad Boy. It's an aftermarket horn. Not a sponsor. Again, not a sponsor. Got it from Advance Auto. Also not a sponsor. The main reason I went with this horn versus like just doing OEM was, as you saw, the truck utilizes two horns. One high-low, like high tone, and one low tone. The rebuild kits for those are like 40 bucks a piece, or darn near 40. I paid 45 for this thing. So, just decided to give this a shot. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so the horns live here in their bracket. Looks like it's held on by a 1/2-inch bolt back there, so I'm going to see if I can get that off. So unfortunately, I ran into a minor snag. I got this off, but my horns have the Dodge connectors. That's what I call them anyway, like the standard plug-in type. I'm not sure if you can see it down here. So it's a 2-wire setup, green and black. What I'm going to have to do is cut this connector off. Which, I mean, I honestly hate to do it, but I don't really see much of a choice. I'll have to cut the connector off because on the Bad Boy, it uses spade style connectors. So I'll have to cut the connectors off of one horn and put on the spade connectors. I kind of had to figure that was going to happen though. Before I go to the store and get those spade connectors, I'm going to see if I can disconnect these horns and at least mount the new one. 10mm nuts hold the old horns. So according to the instructions, the Bad Boy is supposed to be mounted vertically. It has this mount right here, so depending on how your bracket's set up or what bracket you're setting up for your application, motorcycle, truck, what have you, you can either set it up like this or like using the hole through there. They give you a bolt, a lock nut, and a nut. So basically you can either set it up like this, and the bolt's just basically passing through your bracket, like if you have a setup like on the Dodge, or if the bracket's gonna pass over the top like this, and you can mount it vertically, you just run the bolt up, and the nut and lock nut will actually sit on top up above the bracket. Well, I got it mounted. I haven't wired it yet, but I always wanted to mount it up here, but it won't fit on the location up here. It's too close to the side bumper, so I just mounted it down there. And I'm gonna take my longer lead, and like I said, snip it, put spade connectors on it. I don't know if I'm gonna get to it today. I'm kind of hoping I can, because honestly I would like to relax tomorrow. It's been a hectic few days, but we'll see how it goes. Of course, you guys will see it by the end of the video. But yeah, there it is. I put in the zip tie here just for extra security because basically it's just kind of like the bolt's running through my bracket and it just kind of rests on the bolt. So I just figure because this is a little bit, I mean, it's not super heavy, but it is a little bit heavier of a horn. I figure just give it some extra security. Alright, I got the horn wired up. We're going to go up to the cab and hit the horn button. So there you go, a complete horn upgrade and change out of the turn signal bulb. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.